Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll tell you about the testing job opportunities for experience for freshers as well as the work from home job opportunities. And let me quickly update you about the free live webinar that we are going to do in the upcoming weekend. So it is about how to get a QA automation job in 2026 using AI, using Playwright. So these days, the job opportunities are there, but if you have the right skill set, if you have the right resume, if you have the right keywords being used in the resume, then it is easy for you to get the call. Else, you might not be able to get the call. So every Tuesday, we are uploading success stories of the candidates who are getting selected for the job opportunities. So you can have a look at those success stories and you can also see what is the difference between them and you. Where do you stand versus where do they stand, right? What they have done differently. So those all things we will be analyzing and we will be discussing in this particular webinar. So do attend this webinar. It would really help you a lot. Okay. Now, let me tell you about the job opportunities. So the very first job opportunity is with respect to a QA engineer. They are hiring for the experience of 1 to 3 years. Location is Ahmedabad. The company name is JUnit Technologies. They are looking for QA engineer with 1 to 3 years of experience. And they're looking for somebody who has got exposure to automation testing, programming, scripting using Java, Python, C Sharp, or similar languages, strong problem solving, communication, analytical skill set. And you can send your updated resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for a lead QA engineer with expertise in Playwright and TypeScript at Crystal Company. So the location is Hyderabad, experience is 8+ years, and you can share your profile at this email address. So as I told you, see, these days there is a lot of hiring going on for Playwright. So if you keep Playwright in your resume, if you keep TypeScript, if you keep AI agents, all of these things are important to be kept in your resume. Then ITM is hiring for Playwright automation engineer. 8+ years of experience is required. And the preferred location is Pan India. Experience required is 8+ years. Work mode would be open, hybrid. Notice period is immediate to 30 days as preferred. So they are looking for a senior automation test engineer with 8+ years of QA automation experience and strong expertise in Playwright for web application testing. So you have to design, develop, and maintain scalable test automation frameworks using Playwright and integrate suits with CI/CD pipelines, and then create and execute automated UI, API, and end-to-end test cases. So all of these things are required. So you can share your updated resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for a senior QA engineer, estate payments, and the company name is Qualitrix. They are looking for a senior QA engineer, estate, and it is in payments and fintech domain. So location is Bangalore, and the experience required is 4 to 8 years. Notice period would be immediate serving notice period candidates. So they are looking for somebody who has got strong experience in UPI, cards, wallets, and payment gateways, hands-on API testing and automation, REST assured Postman, strong programming skills in Java, Python, JavaScript, good knowledge of SQL and database validation is required. So experience in negative boundary failure retry mechanisms and Git CI/CD and Git exposure. So this is the email address, and you can share your CV. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer, again, manual and automation. So this requirement is for an experienced QA engineer with 4 to 5 years of experience in automation testing and in manual testing. And the location is Ahmedabad. They are looking for somebody who can join immediately, and it would be Monday to Friday, right? So you can share the resume at the email address which is mentioned. Now, let me share with you further opportunities so that you can apply for them. So this is with respect to the LTM company. Okay, they are hiring for automation testers with experience of 6 to 12 years. So they are looking for functional testing, and notice period will be immediate to 45 days. Location is Chennai, Mumbai, Pune. Key skills required is 5+ years in software testing experience, automation, AI, and it is good to have if you have experience on CI/CD pipelines, Azure DevOps, Jenkins, GitLab. So this is the email address wherein you can share your CV, stefan.r4@ltm.com. This is the email address. Then there is a work from home opportunity as well. So let me share this with you. So this is with respect to IndiaNIC Infotech Limited. They are hiring for the testers, QA, automation plus manual, .NET developer, React.js developer, Playwright, then ASP.NET Core, and Next.js and TestNG. So these are the requirements like for IndiaNIC Infotech Limited. And you can share your CV at this email address, hr@indianic.com. And these are the opportunities. So work from home is there, but you can also fly into the cities, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Indore, Kochi, Delhi, NCR. So they'll assist you. See, and they are looking for somebody who has got 4+ years of experience. Right? So this is a wonderful opportunity. Now, last but not the least, I would like to update you that we have got a free live webinar which will be happening in the upcoming weekend. Right? Many of you might not be getting calls. Many of you are telling that there are very less calls in the job market. So we are here to assist you. So we'll definitely you can book a call with us, and this is a free live webinar, right? So you don't have to pay anything. So make sure that you attend this webinar and you are available for 1 or 2 hours of that. In 1 hour will be the webinar, and then it will be followed up with a Q&A. So if you have any question, we will be answering you that as well. Right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.